Hello friends, in upcoming webinar series Symphony of Approaches, we are going to discuss different ways of prescribing in homeopathy. And in this webinar series, I am going to discuss about the use of repertory as an entry point to understand the individual, to understand the case. So friends, many times we must have seen in our practice that we take case in detail, we get the symptoms, we get the whole case, but we are not able to pinpoint the medicine. Many times we get the exact characteristic from patient, but we are not able to find it where in which remedy it is mentioned. So in that case, repertory come to our rescue. I had a case of allergic rhinitis and urticaria, and that girl was having severe urticaria, sneezing, allergic rhinitis. And one typical symptom she used to tell me that whenever I develop the coryza, I am having the sleepiness. Okay, and I was struggling in this case, right? But this symptom was very characteristic. I got from her that she developed the sleepiness with coryza. So I tried to look in the repertory sleepiness, coryza during or coryza with. There are very few medicines. I think around 10-12 medicines are there in this rubric. And one of the medicine is gelsemium. When I saw this rubric and when I saw the gelsemium, immediately all dots started connecting to each other. All we know that gelsemium is indicated, the main symptom of gelsemium is drowsiness, dullness, dizziness and or sleepiness. So now when I could see the case retrospectively, everything matches with gelsemium. I prescribed her gelsemium and she responded well to gelsemium. So we are going to discuss to use repertory or as a key to unlock the case, and many more such cases we are going to discuss. So come and learn different ways, different approaches of prescribing in homeopathy. See you soon. Thank you.